Those wonderful, beautiful books. In fact, it has long been highlighted by life. Just take a look. Red always has a way of tying happiness together. But some reds can also untie emotional knots. Just a dip in the red broth, and nothing else matters. Some reds really loud, always moving forward without paying attention. Hey, hold on, hold on, hold on. Red also supports a kind of belief. Once red reaches a height, it spreads freely across the face. They say, this is the stamp of a smile given by the sun. If you're tired of looking up, then just go home and bury your head in your meal. It really tastes so good. This kind of red is clearly so rich, but it's still so rich. As soon as you step out, turn your passionate love into style. Every time I can wear red, it brings a sense of freshness. Some are in a rush, just charging in bare-chested. Let me show you heroism that isn't afraid of falling. The railway. Your life is glowing with red. Life will roll out the most beautiful red carpet for you. In the end, red will shake off all his lifelong passion and vitality from the lens. I'll shake it all off for you. Life has marked the shining days in red, and every piece of sky and land is also marked in red. Just pay a little attention. You can discover them, capturing their red. The original colors of the red maple capture every shade of red, just as it is.